See, of course, there is a big capex investment all these AI companies going to do in future, and for that, now what is the talk currently going on that they are going to create a special purpose vehicle where they are going to ramp up their capex there, not in their own balance sheet, but creating an SPV, and that is where now the red flags is coming that say OpenAI, Meta, Google, all these companies are going to have a special purpose vehicle, and this is where now the everyone is saying that if something goes wrong in that company, what will happen? That's a risk because $4 trillion of capex is going to come by 2013 AI. That is a big infrastructure. And if you ask for the revenue is very less. If you see the open AI revenue is I think 13 billion. Recently there was a interview with Sam Walton. That is what he was saying about. So the revenue is much lesser and the capex is bigger. That is where the fear comes. Talking about SoftBank existing, see they were the largest shareholder earlier. I think in 2000 or something like no they 2020 something they sold their stake actually 2019 4.8 or 4.9%. Currently they sold that whatever remaining is then they are completely existing out of that. But I think they are going to invest in AI only, but they are going to create their own infrastructure. That is where they are going to invest. But existing getting out from the Nvidia stock, that means no valuation is on a rich side. Now we know that all this stock has gone up a lot. The main thing is that whether the revenue and profitability is going to catch up with the valuation or not, and that is a big question mark. So no one has an answer on that. If you ask the analysts in US and everyone is still they are saying that everything is good here, but one has to be careful because the capex which they are going to invest now, even OpenAI told Trump to know that they should support their capex. So all these are having a big question mark. So yes, one has to be little bit careful, and I think the valuation is on our side. So but no, at the end, India is not going to get directly impact out of this. But yes, if the that stocks falls, then here also, if Nasdaq falls, even our IT stocks will also fall.